How many individuals were awarded Padma Vibhushan in 2026? Right answer is option B, 5 individuals. Chari Dhand wetland, which was recently added to the Ramsar network, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which year was declared as the International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralids by United Nations? Right answer is option A, 2026. How many individuals were conferred the Padma Awards in 2026? Right answer is option B, 131. MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was given to Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option B, Nigeria. Which state topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Which state government has launched Garud Drishti to combat cybercrime? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which state has been declared India's first fully digitally literate state? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Who authored the book Why the Constitution Matters? Right answer is option B, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Who won the men's singles tennis title at the 2025 Cincinnati Open? Right answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Slynex is a bilateral naval exercise between India and which country? Right answer is option B, Sri Lanka. India's first semiconductor innovation museum has been opened in which city? Right answer is option B, Hyderabad. Who received the Ashok Chakra during the 77th Republic Day 2026? Right answer is option B, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla. On which date National Space Day 2025 is celebrated? Right answer is option B, 23rd August. What is the theme of Combined Commanders Conference 2025? Right answer is option C, Year of Reforms Transforming for the Future. Who has recently made history by becoming the first Indian to receive the prestigious Canton R. Miller Award? Right answer is option A, Sonali Ghosh. Justice A. Mohammad Mustaq appointed Chief Justice of which High Court? Right answer is option A, Sikkim. Who has been selected as the torchbearer of the 2026 Winter Olympics? Right answer is option C, Abhinav Bindra. Which country has become 90th state member of the International Union for Conservation of Nature? Right answer is option A, Tuvalu. Which Indian city is the host of 11th Asian Aquatics Championship 2025? Right answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for the year 2025? Right answer is option B, Greca Machel. What was India's rank in the medal tally of the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Right answer is option D, 10th rank. India's first fully solar powered zoo will be established in which state? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Exercise Samudra Shakti 2025 is conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, Indonesia. India's first cheetah safari has been launched in which national park? Right answer is option A, Kuno National Park. What is India's rank in the 2025 Economic Freedom Index? Right answer is option A, 128th rank. Who has won the Pro Kabaddi League 2025 title? Right answer is option B, Dabang Delhi KC. In which state will India's first largest drone city be established? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. National Constitution Day Samvidhan Divas was observed on which date? Right answer is option D, 26th November. Which state became the first in India to achieve 100% digitization of voter rolls under the Special Intensive Revision? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. Which city hosted 11th India International Science Festival in December 2025? Right answer is option C, Panchkula, Haryana. Who has become the first learning disabled artist to win Turner Prize 2025? Right answer is option D, Nanena Kalu. Who won their 8th FIH Men's Junior Hockey World Cup title after defeating Spain? Right answer is option C, Germany. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2026? Right answer is option B, 80th rank. Which country has officially announced its withdrawal from WHO? Right answer is option B, USA. Who has won the first Chess Esports World Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. Where has the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival been held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Where was the 2026 World Economic Forum annual meeting held? Right answer is option C, Davos, Switzerland. Who was conferred with the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2025? Right answer is option C, Sonu Nigam. Which institution topped the NIRF overall rankings for 2025? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Right answer is option B, 131st rank. India's first interstate cheetah conservation corridor is being established between which two states? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Gokul Reservoir and Udaipur Lake of which Indian state have been recently added to the list of Ramsar sites? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Who won the 2025 Men's Fight World Rapid Championship title? Right answer is option A, Magnus Carlsen. Who was named the World Athlete of the Year in 2025? Right answer is option A, Armand Duplantis. Who was appointed as the Punjab National Bank's first ever female brand ambassador? Right answer is option C, Harmanpreet Kaur. Which state government has launched India's first Vistadome jungle safari train? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been elected as the chairperson of the Badminton World Federation Athletes Commission for the 2026 to 29 term? Right answer is option B, PV Sindhu. The Maven mission was launched by which space agency? Right answer is option C, NASA. Kondareddypalli, which became South India's first fully solar powered village, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Telangana. Which state organized the world's largest open air theatre, Dhanu Yatra? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.